Hi, Nest Moms! So this is the brand that we are using at the Nest. We're testing all our staff every week. This is a saliva test kit. So inside the box, merong 25 na sets of test kits. And this one is at the stage 3 ng FDA approval. But in the other countries like Europe, the government is acquiring this brand for their mass testing. So as you know, pinaka-accurate pa rin talaga is the RT-PCR, yung mga dumadaan sa laboratory. But this one, if you are already symptomatic, it will really show you na if you are positive or negative. Not so much for asymptomatic people. Pero sa amin, in our experience, kahit yung mga asymptomatic, na-detect niya. Okay, so quickly, I'll just show you how to use it. It's very simple. We have 4 items in one set of test. So you have the actual test kit na nakaseal. You have the parang disposable na pouch where you spit onto. It's lined inside so hindi siya tatagos. You have this one, yung pang sip-sip. And then this one is the solution. Okay, inside meron yung solution. Okay. Yung target mo na ma-fill yung saliva is until this line. So, meron siyang line dyan. Okay? So, in the morning, before brushing your teeth or eating anything, you should get tested. Okay? So, yun ang pinaka-accurate if you do it upon waking up. Okay? So, we open our sealed test kit. Inside, you will see this is where you will drop the saliva, yung nakahalo na saliva sa solution, sa letter S. So, yung S. And then, this is the control line, yung C. So, if one line lang, doon sa C lang, that means negative. Pero if there's 2 lines, C tsaka T, merong line that is positive. Pero, if nakita ninyo, T lang yung may line, it means you should redo the test. Okay? And then, the saliva has to really come from the throat. So, you have to do the ka sound. Okay? And then, you have to use this one until the line here. Kailangan umabot dito sa line na to. Yung makukuha mong saliva. Okay? So, you just press here. And then, release para umangat yung saliva. Okay? Pag sobra, you just drop it para hindi sumobra yung amount of saliva in your sample. Okay? And then, you open this up, yung part na purple. Okay, you open this. And then, you have to drop your saliva in. Press it down. Okay? And then, you close it again. And then, we give it a good shake. Shotty. Shake, 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 shake. You will see na magmi-mix na yung saliva doon sa solution mo. Okay? Yan. So, good shake. And then now, we are going to open it here. Ito. So, hawakan lang yung purple part. And then, you open it here. Shotty, what are you doing? Yan. And then, dapat vertical yung pagkakahawak. So, make sure this one is sealed tight, no? Vertical yung pagkakahawak. And then, you just drop 2 drops doon sa letter S. Okay? Don't put it here, ha? Dito lang sa letter S. Okay, here. You have to drop 2 drops here. Vertical yung pagkakahawak. And then, just press 1 drop, 2 drops. Okay? And then, it is important that you do the reading within 15 minutes. Pag lumagpas na ng 20 minutes, hindi na accurate yung makikita ninyong lines. So, you have to read it from 15 to 20 minutes. My test result turned out negative kasi 1 lang yung line dito sa C and then there's no line sa T. When you're reading it, make sure you're in a well-lit room because sometimes if the virus is just starting, mababa lang yung nasa katawan nyo na virus or patapos na, there will be a very faint line sa T. So here, this is read as negative. Yan. So if you have any questions regarding these test kits, you can just message us at the Nest_attachment parenting hub in Instagram.